How to add markets or instruments to your favorites list in Deriv GO app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're exploring trading on the Deriv GO app and want to keep your favorite markets or instrument at your fingertips, here's how you do it. Start by launching the Deriv GO app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account so your favorites can be saved securely. Once you're logged in, go to the Markets tab from the dashboard at the bottom. Inside the Markets tab, browse the available option to find the one you would trade most. Once you find one of the options you trade most, swipe left on it and tap on the star icon. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the instrument on your favorite list. Repeat this step for every other instruments you want to mark as your favorite. And now go to the Favorites tab from the top left. The selected markets has been added to your favorite list. This will instantly make it easier to access from your favorite list. So there you have it. You've just personalized your Deriv GO app, making trading faster and more convenient. Now all of your go-to markets are just a tap away. No more endless scrolling. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.